What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to make a quick update on how my trades goes, and I want to share with you guys my today's setup. It's very simple concept. It's a break and retest strategy. It's very simple basically, yeah. So basically what we can see here in the New York session, yeah, we had beautifully kind of break all this structure, yeah. So basically I would consider that it's time to buy. The reason why, because it was kind of making pullback, doing that, and then boom, it just took this high up, yeah. So only thing why I was waiting is to come here to retest this high. So that's what it did. Beautifully played out. I was seeing bullish momentum that was kicking in, so I took the trade, stop loss beneath here, and I'm aiming for, basically this was the first high which he hit it very beautifully, then it pulled back a little bit, but I want to make at least 1 to 2, so I was holding for this high to take off. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit, so because it looks very simple, the market looks kind of too overextended. This trade is on GBP JPY. How you see here on my MT4 is the same thing. So basically how you see here, it break all the structure, is the same chart, came here, pull back into this zone, start moving up. Here I enter, put the stop loss beneath here, targeting 1 to 2. Let me see, is this high. So I just waiting for the last pullback, because I was thinking like to put my stop loss on break even, but I just say like, nah, am I gonna leave it just like that? So I waiting for the TP to get hit, because most likely it will get hit. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my video. If you want to make some more analysis, join my live stream, because I'm gonna start doing the live stream more often. So yeah, guys, feel free to subscribe, enter the live stream, watch me live how I'm fail and trading, because that's what people waiting for. I'm not here to show you that I'm a guru trader and I can make millions trading. No, that's not usual. All the traders, they do really like to see how other traders they fail. So that's the reasoning why I'm going live, only to show how am I gonna fail in trading. I'm gonna try my best, obviously, to be profitable trader, but you know, you guys can join in and see how I'm failing at it. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoy my video, and see you on my next breakdown. Peace and love. I'm out.